Reolink Argus 2, the 100% wire-free full HD rechargeable battery-powered or solar-powered security camera. With all the parts and the quick start guide included with Reolink Argus 2, it would be a breeze to install and use the camera right away. Communicating via 2.4G Wi-Fi, packed with rechargeable battery, wide-angle lens, starlight sensor, microphone, and speaker. To know your home is safe and sound, just freely place the camera room to room, indoors or outdoors. Connect the camera to Reolink solar panel and it will get non-stop power all day. The smart PIR sensor will detect movements and the camera will alert you with motion event instantly, so you could see and hear what's happening and even talk back. Hi, place the package by the door. Thanks. Featuring 1080p Full HD and up to 33 feet starlight night vision. Reolink Argus 2 can deliver clear live view, daytime and nighttime. Rated IP65 weatherproof, Reolink Argus 2 is able to have your home covered, rain or shine. Setup is an absolute no-brainer. Follow these 3 steps to set up the camera. Click the Add New Device button on the Reolink app. Scan the QR code with your phone. Input your Wi-Fi password. Use the camera to scan the QR code generated on Reolink app.
Connection to the router succeeded. Welcome to Reolink.